Hi, my cute little girlies. So, I got a Dyson Airwrap a year ago. Now, I think like it's the right time that I can review this product. Before starting, I just want to tell you कि मेरे बालों का texture क्या है. So, my hair is like very frizzy and very dry. And मेरा घर जो है, it's in an area where जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा humid है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आई एम शेयरिंग माई एक्सपीरियंस. हो सकता है कि आपके लिए डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस रहा हो, आपके वेदर कंडीशंस डिफरेंट हो और आपके बाल का टेक्सचर अलग हो. सो आई एम अनबॉक्सिंग इट. पहले भी अनबॉक्स हो चुका है बट फिर से एक और बार करते हैं. सो दिस इज द मशीन जहाँ पे हम सारे अटैचमेंट्स लगाते हैं. इसका वायर काफ़ी लंबा है, तो it's been easy to use it and cope up with the wire length. इसमें we have three indicators. One is very hot, then minimal hot, and that is very cold. और यहाँ पे this one is we use for the, on and off, and this one is also used for the Bluetooth one. So this one is I have taken the Bluetooth version. So it has two versions, with Bluetooth, without Bluetooth. So it's all up to your choice, like whichever is comfortable for you. And it has three air pressure, so low, medium, and very high. And that side we use to lock and unlock the attachments. Um, First, after the hair wash, I used this one for drying my hair, and then follow with the straightening. So ये इतना ज़्यादा straight नहीं करता है ये part. मतलब curls को थोड़ा manage करेगा, but इतना नहीं करेगा कि that you will get a straightening look. बाकी इसमें ऐसे कन्वर्टेबल ऑप्शन है. व्हेन वी गो डाउन तो ये मूव करेगा विद द फ्लो. आफ्टर दैट आई यूज दिस फ्लायर. जो भी हमारे छोटे छोटे बाल होते हैं ना, उन सबको सेट कर देता है, बट नॉट फॉर द लॉन्गर टर्म. अगर आप मूस वगैरह और लीव इन क्रीम यूज करो देन इट इज गुड फॉर द स्टाइलिंग पर्पज, बट फॉर नॉट फॉर द लॉन्गर टर्म. फिर आफ्टर दैट आई यूज दिस वॉल्यूमाइजर. कभी कभार मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा डैप होते हैं, तो वॉल्यूम देने के लिए आई यूज दिस. स्पेशली इन द फ्रंट पार्ट आई यूज दिस वन फॉर द क्राउन एरिया. एंड दीज आर द टू अटैचमेंट जो मैं बहुत कम यूज करती हूँ फॉर कर्लिंग. मोस्टली आई यूज this one straightener one, and then I lock my hair with this volumizer, and then in end I use the serum, and then that's it. These two are the colors option. This one is for the loose curl, this one is for the tight curl. So इतना ज़्यादा मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया. मेरा naturally जो मेरा hair texture है वो curly to wavy की तरफ ज़्यादा है. So I don't use that much this one. Then this one is the brush for the cleaning purpose. ये this one we can remove it from here, and then we can clip it. Okay, we have to clip it this side, and we can clean this way. इतना ज़्यादा गंदा नहीं होगा क्योंकि I haven't used this like more than 3 or 4 times as of now within a year, because मेरे बालों पे इतना ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव नहीं रहा है अभी तक. Even though I have used mousse, leave-in cream. In fact, someone has suggested me some cream. There's one cream, number 5 from Olaplex. I have used everything, but this is not that much useful for me. But for the drying purpose, I use like I feel that this is very effective, but not for the straightening purpose. And if you're styling it, then use it with the mousse and leave-in cream. That will give a good hold, but not for the longer purpose. And though मेरे यहाँ पे जो weather condition है वो बहुत ज़्यादा humid है, तो इतना ज़्यादा effective नहीं है humid weather के लिए. In winters it's good. Like if you're gonna ask like should I recommend this to my friend or someone, I would not say to recommend it, but if for once you can go and try in this store, they have the free services for trying it. If you like it, then you can take it. But for me it was not that much great. I can show you in next video how it looks and how long it holds in my hair and my texture. But overall, if I want to rate this, I can rate a dry 10 on 10. But other equipments, I can't commit as of now to give a good rating because it doesn't give me a such good result for a longer time. So for me, overall rating would be around 6 or 10 for this air wrap. Might be they have a good products in like they have hair straightener, they have a they have a different altogether category for the dryers and for curly hairs. They have a different attachment. They might be good, but not for me and not well in this humid uh, conditions. So that is my overall review. Do let me know how was your experience, and would you love to buy it in future, or if you have your own, then how do you feel about it? So go and comment on this reel and let me know. Thank you.